My project is zkApp learning platform, just a proof of concept, as known as Crypto Zombies Mina version. And also I am Berkin from Turkey. Nice to meet you. Uh, my first thesis about learning is that a learner must implement their learning by using their both learned content and analytical thinking. And the current learning problem in new blockchain networks or protocols are that video tutorials, workshops, documentation examples, in other saying, ordinary tutorials actually do not teach anything to learner. And because you watch and code the same as the video, and this does not teach anything. And platforms like Figment, DataCamp, Crypto Zombies do not teach a lot because completing chapters do not require any reasoning. And you can complete a chapter by writing same as the example with a few minor changes. And my solution proposal is, I think first premise is learning material or documentation is necessary. After these documentations, learner must implement their learning by using their both learned content, documentation, and analytical thinking. In order to do that, they need a challenge. And this will enable them to better understand and engage the topic. Also, they have to understand the topic completely to complete the challenge. And my project was in the beginning an implementation-based zkApp learning platform, which consists of modules, just like in the picture here. There will be modules and GitHub repositories, also some questions, and in GitHub repositories, users or learners will clone them and they solve them in their local environment. But after the suggestion of the Florian, I have decided to build a learning task with online code editor, just like Crypto Zombies. And now, currently, I have simple UI with code editor, 3 simple tasks and zkApp smart contract tasks, and they reinforces learning in the Mina documentation tutorials. And also, I have a local backend which runs tests of user code. And also, I have to-dos for this project, more detailed tasks and DevOps clouds to run online. Uh, Otherwise, I can implement some um running tests on the browser, also better UI. And let's take a look at that. Okay. And also I have started this demo, and you can see, I think. Are you seeing? Okay.
Yeah.
And here we have a task, just a simple double it task. We will create smart contract which we can double our field state, and also I have some instructions, and also I have answer of this task. But first, take a look. I just write something or write anything, and when I run test code, I just return the false, and also it's running tests here. And after that, suppose that I wrote this answer, this smart contract, I am user, and I looked this tutorial, and I write smart contract and send it. Oh, sorry, I just have to restart my server. And when I test the code, It takes too much time, I think. Because of that, I have to implement just on the browser, but I couldn't it because of that. And it says, congratulations, you passed all tests, go to next task. And also, this is same, not same. It's another task. It is the some progressive version of the second tutorial of Mina documentation tutorials, private inputs and hash functions. And there is also task. There are instructions. And again, suppose that I wrote it and okay, and it runs, and also it runs tests in the backend. As you can see, it runs all tests. Suppose that we just make a syntax error and it says, sorry, your code is incorrect. Also, I have some other task, and if I run again it, okay, okay, as you can see, I can run this test in my backend, and it's just simple front end. And this was my project. Thank you for listening.